Hello everyone, welcome to Collegewali PADHAI. So in today's video we are going to discuss about mathematics and today's topic will be spherical polar coordinates and this is the episode 8. So do subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. So let's start with the video. So first I will start with a rough diagram. What I will do will be a rough diagram to get a clear understanding. So this is actually the thing. This one is the Z, this is Y, this is X. And also if you haven't watched the cylindrical polar coordinates video, so you can move back and also see that video. So this is the point O. So this is the basic plane. What I am going to add is, suppose if I take a point P, and drop a line till here, what I can get from here, a line can come from here, a line can go here. It is forming a triangle like thing, you can see, and this is M. So the name of the triangle can be OPM, and here it forms an angle theta, and as it is perpendicular, so here it forms 90 minus theta, and OP is R. Then here X and OM forms the angle phi. This can be also written as, this can be also extended. You can also extend this. Then from the point M, you can also extend Q. It also forms a perpendicular with this line. And let me tell you, P is a three-dimensional coordinate which has points X, Y and Z. So this was the basic diagram and point is named N. So we can tell that triangle OPM is perpendicular to R sine 90 minus theta. Triangle OPM is perpendicular to R sine 90 minus theta, which is none other than R cos theta. And OM, this line is R cos 90 minus theta, which is R sine theta. And Y is also R sine theta. So on writing this clearly, we can write, let me move this, yeah, we can write X equal to ON. Here you can see coordinate X and it is the line ON equal to X, R sine theta cos phi, and Y can be written as MN, this dot 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 which I have forgot to make. So M and N dot dot line, you can see R sine theta sine phi. Yeah, so this was the concept. So what we got? So we got X, Y and Z. sorry, x can be written as, one second, x can be written as r cos phi sin theta. Y can be written as r sin phi sin theta, r sin phi sin theta, and z can be written simply as r cos theta. Got it? So x can be written as r cos theta sin phi, sorry, x can be written as r cos phi sin theta, y can be written as r sin phi sin theta, z can be written as r cos theta. Simple. So again, while we are dealing with cylindrical or spherical polar coordinates, main questions come related to volume. How can you find the volume? Basically, volume is your triple integration, again that same thing, dx, dy, dz, excuse me, here v, but you need to modify. So this can be written as r square sin theta dr d theta d phi. Previously it was what? R dr d theta dz, but that was in cylindrical polar coordinates. But here in spherical polar coordinates, we need to write r square sin theta dr d theta d phi. Actually, this is none other than your Jacobian. Here you are seeing what is x and what is y and what is z. So it is quite easy to find the Jacobian of dou x comma y comma z and dou r comma theta comma phi, and on finding this you get r square sin theta. You can also verify this on your own. So this was the basic concept of spherical polar coordinates, and at the end of this video I want to give everyone a big thank you for all those who have watched the video till the end. Do subscribe to the channel, like the video, press the bell icon, share with your friends to learn more. Thank you.